Hey guys, welcome to my channel and whatever. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna be doing my hair today and I hope you guys my hair because my hair is crazy right now, and stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing my hair. And don't go back to Italy because guys, on the weekend I'm gonna maybe doing on the next week a lot of fun stuff. So make sure you wait, okay? Guys, I'm a very funny person, so if you want to see me in real life, just come.
You're not supposed to tell people your address, where you live. Say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
She faked, so don't follow to her TikTok.
I'm talking about you.
Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow it and press that button like fire. Okay, so you don't have to do that punishment, that fun punishment. Yeah, so stay tuned.
First, I separate the hair into 3 sections. I take the strand all the way on the left side and bring it all the way to the right side and twist as I go. Take the strand all the way on the left, all the way on the right side. Make sure it's going over the 2 strands that's all the way in the middle. So the left strand all the way to the right. Again, the left strand all the way to the right side. And twist as you go. You can use your thumb or your index finger to bring the hair all the way to the right side as well, as you see me do. I'm using my thumb, then I start using my index finger to bring the hair all the way to the right side and twist as I go. I use the Camille Rose Curl Maker to slick her hair down with a edge brush. You see me again splitting the hair into 3 sections, using my thumb to bring the hair all the way on the left side, all the way to the right, twisting as I go all the way down to the end of her hair. Right here, you see me use my index finger to bring the hair over to the right side. You can either use your index finger, your thumb, whatever method works for you in order to achieve the 3-strand twist. As I approach the front of her hair, I create a long triangle where one side is a little longer than the other side. Then I split the hair down the middle and I crisscross it with rubber bands.
Guys, I'm all done with my hair and
Aren't you gonna get beads?
no, not anymore. That was a joke.
Nah, you're gonna get beads.
No, mommy.
Okay. I'm just
No,
gonna do the beads real quick.
but you will take a million
No,
seconds, a million minutes. No.
Okay, alright. No, I'm not.
Yay. Ooh.
This is our favorite go-to hairstyle.
Yeah, and guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, pick what next video I should do. So, bye guys.